Hello, hello, hello. How's everyone going? Today in this video, I'll share with you the specific way how you can get traffic into whatever things you're actually promoting out there on the internet, right? But before that, I want to share with you my results because I want to show you that I'm actually walking the walk rather than just doing the talking, right? So in here, this is one of the company that I'm actually promoting, and you can see I'm getting sales on a continuous basis. These are the two checks that actually arrived. And if I go scroll down, you can see everything highlighted with yellow. I'm getting sales, right? Sale, 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 sale. Received two payment, sale, 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 right? I'm also promoting two different offers as well. So that's the reason you see like doing a bit of testing, but mainly I'm doing one offers, and literally that program actually taught me how you can actually get sales, because most of the time people talk about doing like Facebook ads, doing Bing ads. Yes, that all works, but I'll share with you a very powerful way how you can actually get traffic and get unlimited traffic coming into your funnel. And whatever service offers programs that you're actually promoting, this is going to be a game changer if you start to implement this and pay really close attention to this, right? So again, my name is Sanjeev, and on this channel I create videos about making money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, right? And also what you need to do is go beneath this video, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future video that comes out, right? So what is the best way to actually drive traffic into your offers or products or services that you're actually promoting, right? This, what you actually see now, we're actually watching, this is by far the best traffic you can get, right? This is organic, you don't have to pay anything, and it is YouTube, right? YouTube is, I don't know, I made a lot of money with YouTube, and until this day I'm really making money, like which is like really consistent. So you have to really utilize YouTube and get to that way people can actually like, know, and trust you just by you providing the videos based on the keywords, based on the title, based on the thumbnail, so they have a curiosity that they go ahead and click and watch a video. And let me quickly share with you, this is a very small channel that I actually started. I haven't got that much videos on this channel, but in here you can see 43 people have actually watched that video, and continuously I'm getting traffic coming into my funnel, right? Coming into my channel, like 18 views, 11 views, 3, and it all adds up, right? And it's a very easy way for people to actually like, know, and trust you just you providing the video on YouTube, which is free content, but you doing specific videos so it actually ranks. Like this is a video that I actually did the other day, right? You'll see the power of this, what I'm actually meaning by that. I did a video about a tracking software called Optindojo. This is on the first page, by the way, how to set up Optindojo, right? And you'll see my video actually comes up number one because I've ranked the video, right? This is the number one video. This is the second video I did, right? So that's how I actually rank up the video. And it's like, this is my best way. And I'm not even, I'm working on another of my channel, but once I start to put more content on this channel, my views, my subscriber count, and also my sales, which is also happening in the background. And if you start to utilize all these free methods, you'll start to get like huge amount of results, right? But you might be thinking YouTube is too complicated, right? And you don't understand how everything works. So let me share with you this thing. So before this, I actually didn't know how actually YouTube works, right? So you might be having that same issue, how YouTube works. You might have a affiliate program that you want to promote and you want to do it organically, right? You don't know how to actually, you don't have enough money to actually pay for traffic. So what can you do, right? So in here, this is a program that I also promote. It's called the Home Business Academy. And literally, I believe anyone can get started with this. This is a funnel builder tool, and also in here we have training on traffic and conversions, right? If you see, we have different strategies how you can actually get traffic coming into your funnel, coming into your whatever service you have, right? And this is all organic, right? YouTube ranking. And this is the method that I actually used to be able to rank my video against all the other competitors, right? And I'm starting to do this and I'm really loving it, because it's like there's really no competition out there once you start to put this into action, right? Most of the time people actually they don't like to take actions, but if you go in here, you, like easy YouTube, like let me show you this. Easy YouTube button strategies. Like look at the easy button YouTube strategy, free Facebook ad method, right? Free Facebook live mastery, blogging for business, right? So there's tons and tons of ways you can actually be driving traffic into your funnel, into whatever service you're promoting, and all these things that I actually shared with you, the results that I'm getting. This is all organically, right? I'm not paying for anything. And if you have the budget, if you don't have time to create content, you can literally do the paid method. But I love to do the organic method, because this is how I'm actually get to build the trust with the audience, right? And another thing that I wanted to share with you quickly, this is someone actually hired on a freelancing website, and I'll be doing more videos like look at this, 3.4k impressions, click-through rate is 10.1, and views I got just from one video, 427 views, you know. So this is just one video. I paid someone to actually make it. So rather than you going and doing the paid methods on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube ads, you can literally just go to some website, for example Fiverr and also Upwork, and hire these people, and you can actually just pay them like 20, 15, $30, and they create the videos for you. That video actually upload on YouTube, and that way people actually like now and trust that person. And using that video, you can actually put your affiliate links in that video, right? If I go to this description, you'll see what I actually did here. This best online business to start, and I just put my link here, right? Simple. And people actually opting in, right? Look at this. Someone actually opted in, and I'm getting leads using these methods on autopilot, right? Look at this. I'm getting leads from YouTube specifically here. One, you know, so 72-hour challenge, incoming, you know. So there's so much possibilities if you just start to implement all these methods and get to understand the system, how actually money is made, specifically doing affiliate marketing. I know people spend a lot of money with the paid methods, but once you start to focus on YouTube alone, YouTube is pretty much running on autopilot, right? I'm getting leads on autopilot. Like I'm probably be sleeping after I created this video, put on YouTube. You're going to be watching this video and I might be asleep. You might buy this product, I might be asleep. So this is a passive way you can actually drive traffic, and YouTube is the best method out there to be able to create content, right? So again, thank you so much, and I'll also leave a link for this amazing program in the description section, and you can also see that all the bonus that I'll be also giving you once you do decide to join the system, right? And I think this is the best one out there, and I promote just mainly this program because there's so much support, so much community love and support, and also the income is also recurring, right? I did a previous video about this, and there should be a video popping on the screen, so make sure you click on that, watch it, and that's literally sharing with you about this business, how you can get started for literally very little money, and you can just follow along in that video. So again, make sure you watch that video on the screen right now, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now. God bless.